Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are viewers of mine, you know how important it is to consume ingredients that are actually beneficial for myself. So I like to pay attention to the products I'm putting in my body, but I also like to enjoy my fun, and I do enjoy a cocktail every now and then. So I wanted to show you how to make a skinny margarita. Now, the ingredients are very, very simple and require very minimal time. So you are gonna need your favorite tequila. We are going to add a shot or two, depending on how you like your margarita, into your glass. And then we are going to put the main ingredient. This is the party aspect of this drink. This is Skinnies, and it is a 0 calorie, 0 sugar, which is huge for someone like myself, margarita mix. So you're just gonna pour the packet into your drink, and you are going to top it with water. Now this is where you can control how strong or how light you would want your margarita to be. And now you are just going to stir it. Now I like to garnish my margaritas with a lime. You can also add some tahini around the rim if you want it to be a little spicier, or some salt for a nice garnish as well. So this is how I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day, with a light margarita, again, 0 sugar, and all of the taste and flavor. Cheers.